Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how to check for plagiarism for free. So without wasting our time, let's jump into it. Let's say I want to check for plagiarism in this blog post. Simply copy the text from this post. Afterward, head over to a free tool called Small SEO Plagiarism Checker. This tool will help us to check for plagiarism. Just paste the text that we copied earlier. Make sure the text is below 1000 words, as you need to upgrade your plan if it's above 1000 words. Now click on Check Plagiarism. This might take a few minutes. Once it's done, it will give you the plagiarism score with the link to the sources from where the text is copied. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.